But I believe strongly that we need to have equity in representation. That this really is an idea, its time is overdue in our country. I've been a member of parliament, and I know how difficult it is to raise 2/3. But we nearly got there, and but I also know that we still have some men who they just need to be enlightened on these issues. You're saying that the Senate is already compliant. It's only the National Assembly. I think you brought Mr. Einstein to get to the solution. So I think my support can be taken for granted. And I will also talk to our people. Maybe we'll call a PG. So that we can drum up support and get members to turn up in numbers.
But my biggest concern is how can you help us so that it's not seen like a women agenda, but it's seen as a constitutional provisions that they should be able even to bring the men within the parliament. Because I think I keep on asking my friends here, women MP, who is the biggest roadblock, and it is the members of parliament who are men. So what do we need to do with your help so that they don't start seeing it like women affair, and then now they are men. So it's like kind of defensive.
We have seen a serious engagement with them and good leadership and true leadership. So I am not worried about the flow of the House. I think KEWOPA has prepared well enough. But what we want is just for you to give your voice and support, and we thank you for already giving us that commitment. We will not take it for granted, and neither will we let you down when we have more voices of women, because then we can drive many of the agendas that this country needs to move.